Someone doesn't know their right from left. Fucking hell. Audi driver as well. Need I say more? This is very unusual, so hopefully it's not an accident. All of that for a gas main. That's quite happy actually, I'm quite happy it wasn't an accident. So it's just because they've had to emergency dig up the road for some reason. I suppose it's like traffic calming, so those boards don't come up. Actually, I'll have to look at the camera. I think one of them has actually come up. That's probably why they'd blocked half the lane or road. And we have a learner driver in front, a very early learner driver. There's nothing like taking the back streets to avoid the traffic and then getting stuck behind a learner driver. Oh, they're turning off. No, they're parking. No, they're turning, not running over the pedestrian there. Oh my word. That was a turn and a half.